Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 3rd, 2025, we're diving deep into the world of Litecoin, LTCUSD. Recent news indicates positive sentiment around Litecoin, with mentions of a potential ETF filing and a significant increase in Twitter followers. However, other sources report price drops, creating a mixed outlook. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broad perspective of LTCUSD's recent performance. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a recent significant price drop of over 10% on January 3rd, 2025. This sharp decline was followed by a period of consolidation before a recovery to slightly above its previous levels, suggesting potential support near the $65 mark. This may be a cause for concern, especially considering the downward trend that has persisted since November 2024. The increase in trading volume during this period indicates that the price drop was not merely a result of low liquidity. The volume spike also confirms that the market participants had strong reactions to this price action. Now, let's shift to the 1-hour chart to analyze shorter-term price fluctuations. Here, we can more closely examine the candlestick patterns to identify potential support and resistance levels. Notice how the price has moved between approximately $70 and $110 for the majority of the time. Zooming in on this area, we observe periods of consolidation and subsequent breakouts. We observe various candlestick patterns, including dojis and hammers, which might indicate shifts in the underlying sentiment. The 15-minute chart provides an even more granular view of price movements, allowing us to identify short-term entry and exit points. We see many instances where there are multiple candlesticks with minimal movement, suggesting hesitation before significant price changes. These short-term fluctuations can be exploited by scalpers to capitalize on minor price differences. However, the noise in the 15-minute chart is higher, so other time frames will likely need to be examined before making any trades. Let's summarize. We have examined LTCUSD charts of 3 different time frames and noticed multiple significant price drops and increases in the recent past. Key support levels seem to be around $65 and $70 in the daily chart, while the hourly chart shows short-term support and resistance levels between $70 and $110. The 15-minute chart shows short-term fluctuations, suggesting scalping opportunities, but it should be used in addition to the other charts. Price movements are not merely random, they reflect the market's reactions to news and events. While a bullish outlook is suggested by the positive news surrounding potential ETFs, the recent price actions are bearish. The likelihood of LTCUSD reaching $100 in the short term is moderate, depending on whether the support levels hold and market sentiment improves. Long-term predictions are difficult, but if news on ETFs materializes and the market sentiment shifts to bullish, there is potential for further gains.